Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss some important questions of botany regarding the families. Some families of flower in botany for NEET aspirants and other competitive exams. First one, tetramerous flower having bicarpellary syncarpous ovary, which is unilocular in the beginning but becomes bilocular later, owing to the formation of false septum called rhapillum. Are the salient features of the family Leguminosae, Malvaceae, Solanaceae, Cruciferae. It is Cruciferae. Cruciform corolla and tetradynamous condition of stamens are found in Solanum nigrum, Allium acepa, Cosmos, Brassica campestris. Correct option is Brassica campestris. Silicua or silicula is the fruit of Cruciferae, Liliaceae, Malvaceae, Sicilpinoideae. It is Cruciferae. Presence of apicalyx and monodelphous condition of stamens is characteristic feature of the family Liliaceae, Petunia, Malvaceae, Solanaceae. It is Malvaceae. Presence of staminal tube through which style passes is found in Nicotiana, Asparagus, Hibiscus, Pisum. It is hibiscus. Zygomorphic flowers with descending imbricate aestivation is the characteristic feature of the family Papilionaceae, Malvaceae, Mimosaidaceae, Ranunculaceae. It is Papilionaceae. Ascending imbricate aestivation of corolla and 10 stamens in which some are staminodes is the characteristic feature of Sicilpinoideae, Malvaceae, Papilionaceae, Cruciferae. It is of Sicilpinoideae. Right? Now the next one is three subfamilies of Leguminosae are differentiated from one another on the basis of carpels and fruit, corolla and androecium, stems and leaves, none of the above. It is corolla and androecium. Capitulum inflorescence with involucre of blacts having ray florets and disflorets is found in Compositae, Cruciferae, Gramineae, Solanaceae. It is in Compositae. Calyx modified into pappus and syngenesious stamens are salient features of candytuft, larkspur, sunflower, potato. It is sunflower. Inferior ovary and cypsella fruit are found in Compositae, Ranunculaceae, Malvaceae, Liliaceae. It is Compositae. Presence of perianth and trimerous flowers are the features of Gramineae, Cruciferae, Liliaceae, Papilionaceae. It is Liliaceae. Basal presentation is found in Compositae, Cruciferae, Malvaceae, Solanaceae. It is Compositae. The cotton of commerce is outgrowth of capsule, modification of calyx, hairy outgrowth from seed coat, hairy outgrowth of thalamus. The correct option, hairy outgrowth from seed coat. This is the correct. Point out the correct floral formula of Cruciferae. Actinomorphic, bisexual, K4 or 5, C4 or 5, A indefinite, G inferior ovary. Actinomorphic, bisexual, perianth 3 plus 3, androecium 3 plus 3, Z tricarpellary ovary, superior, inferior. Actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx K5C1 plus 2 plus 2, A9 plus 1, G1 inferior. Actinomorphic, bisexual, K2 plus 2, C cruciform corolla multiplied cross 4, A4 plus 2, G syncarpus inferior. Syncarpus inferior. The correct option is D. It is actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 2 plus 2, corolla, cruciform corolla, androecium 2 plus 4, tetradynamous condition, bicarpellary syncarpus superior only. Inferior it is. Which is the correct formula for pea flower? First, A, B, C, and D. It is actinomorphic, bisexual, K5, C5, A indefinite, G5. A syncarpus. Zygomorphic, bicarpellary, K5, C1 plus 2 plus 2, A9 plus 1, and G monocarpellary ovary. C, zygomorphic, bisexual, K1 plus 2 plus 2, A9 plus 1, G monocarpellary ovary. This actinomorphic, bisexual, K4 or 5, C4 or 5, A indefinite, G monocarpellary. B option is correct for P, that is zygomorphic, bisexual, K5, C1 plus 2 plus 2, A9 plus 1, monocarpellary ovary. It is apocarpus superior. The elongated axis of flower between the androecium and gynoecium is called gynophore, anthrophore, gynandrophore, androphore. It is gynophore. And unisexual flower is one which has only androecium or gynoecium, both gynoecium and androecium, corolla only, calyx and corolla both. Only androecium or gynoecium. 19th one, when calyx and corolla cannot be differentiated from each other, this is known as staminate, pistillate, perianth, peduncle. It is perianth. Bracts enclosing a cluster of flowers are known as bracteate, petaloid, involucre, polysepalous. It is involucre. Now the next one, the chief characteristic feature of the corolla is that it is composed of 5 petals and aestivation is vexillary, ligulate, rotate, papilionaceous, polyadelphous. It is papilionaceous. A strile stamen is also known as staminode, upper part of stamen, lower part of stamen, none of that. It is staminode. When the anthers are free but the filament of stamens are united and into single bundle, such an androecium is called adelphous, diadelphous, monoadelphous, polyadelphous. Correct option is monoadelphous. Perianth is found in Malvaceae, Cruciferae, Liliaceae, Solanaceae. It is in Liliaceae. Tetradimenous stamens are found in Cruciferae, Amaryldaceae, Mimosae, Compositae. It is in Cruciferae. Calyx is often modified into Epaphus, Malvaceae, Caesalpinoideae, Compositae, Liliaceae. It is in Compositae. The presentation of Leguminaceae is axial, free central, parietal, marginal. It is marginal. Which of the following family have marginal presentation? Liliaceae, Cruciferae, Leguminaceae, Solanaceae. It is Leguminaceae. When the anthers are fused with one another but the filaments are free, this condition of stamens is known as adenate, versatile, syngenesis, dorsifig. It is syngenesis. When a calyx is shed with the opening of a floral bud is known as temporary, deciduous, persistent, caduous. It is caducous. When the stamens are fused with each other throughout their length, they are called polyandrous, hypogynous, syngenesis, synandrous. It is synandrous. When a style arises from the depression in the center of the ovary or directly from the thalamus of the flower, it is known as linear style, plumostyle, terminal style, gynobasic style. It is gynobasic style. The color of flowers in bougainvillea is on account of colored sepals, colored petals, colored bracts, none of that. They are colored bracts, right? They are known as colored bracts. Now the 34 one, aestivation means arrangement of stamens and pistils in a flower, steples and petals in a flower bud, ovules and placenta in an ovary, none of that. It is the sepals and petals in a flower bud. AWN is found in wheat, China rose, potato, sunflower. It is in wheat. Lodicules are considered is equivalent to perianth, sterile stamen, stipulate apicalyx. It is perianth. Anthers are versatile in Oryza sativa, hibiscus esculent, Solanum tuberosum, Helianthus annuus. It is in Oryza sativa. Inferior pallia, the outer scale of floret in Graminy is also called lemma, pistiloid, perianth, staminode. It is lemma. Capsicum frutiscens belongs to Graminy, Solanaceae, Cruciferae, Liliaceae. It belongs to Solanaceae. Cereals and pulses are obtained from Graminy and Leguminaceae, Solanaceae and Graminy, Solanaceae and Legumini, Cruciferae and Liliaceae. They are obtained from Graminy and Leguminosae. Which plant has an oblique septum and swollen placenta? Helianthus anus, Tagetos erectus, Cestrum nocturnum, Triticum aestivum. It is Triticum aestivum. Maize grain is a seed, a fruit. It is neither a seed nor a fruit. It is a flower bud. It is a fruit. Eggplant belongs to Solanaceae, Cruciferae, Graminy, Liliaceae. It is to Solanaceae. Each spike bears a central stalk called rachis, peduncle, rachilla, pedicel. It is rachilla. Herbarium is a garden where medicinal plants are grown, a garden where herbaceous plants are grown, preservation of dried plants for botanical study, chemicals to kill the weeds. Third option is correct. C. Preservation of dried plants for botanical study. Father of Indian systemic botany was B. Sahani, P. Maheshwari, J. C. Bose, Father Santabur. The father of Indian systemic botany is the Birbal Sahni, a Father Santabur. The classification of plants based on the chromosome number is cytotaxonomy, numerical taxonomy, biochemical taxonomy, all of the above. all of the above. The correct cytotaxonomy. Which of the following are recent day plant? Pteridophytes, dicotyledons, monocotyledons, gymnosperm. It is monocotyledon. The Great Banyan Tree is in Indian Botanical Garden, Calcutta, FRI, Dehradun. Kew Botanical Garden, England, does not exist today. It is in Indian Botanical Garden, Calcutta. In which plant food is stored in leaves? Sweet potato, sugarcane, mango, onion. It is in onion. Which plant produces three useful products? That is fiber, oil, and fodder. Sunham, zoot, cotton, sunflower. It is cotton. In classification of angiosperms, floral characters are the basis because flowers have many colors, flowers can be preserved properly, flowers are more conservative than vegetative plants, none of the flowers are more conservative than vegetative parts. A monocarpic plant is one which have only one carpel, have only one ovule, develop only one fruit, flowers only once in its life. Flowers only once in its life, which is a polycarpic plant. Bamboo species Agave pear. Pear is the polycarpic. Which is monocarpic plant? Bambusa, pear, mango, citrus. It is bambusa. Cotton fiber is a fat, protein, starch, cellulose. It is cellulose. Binomial system of nomenclature means two names, one scientific name, one commonly followed, two names, one genus and other of species, two names, one in Latin, other in Greek, two names given by two scientists. Second option is correct, two names, one of genus and other of species. Which of the following are recent day plant? Pteridophytes, gymnosperm, dicots, monocot. It is monocots. Taxonomy without phylogeny may be likened to bone without flesh. Who supported this statement? Takhtajan, Hutchinson, Angler, Linnaeus. It is the Takhtajan. Plants are always herbs in crucifery, leguminaceae, malvaceae, none of it. It is in crucifery. Bentham and Hooker classified dicots into polypetally, gamopetally, flumiferi, polypetally, gamopetally, and monoclamidae, ariclamidae, monoclamidae, gamopetally, ariclamidae, monoclamidae, and polypetally. Second option is polypetally, gamopetally, and monoclamidae. According to Oswald and Topo, angiosperms are classified under phylum Amblyophyta, Spermatophyta, Tracheophyta, Angiospermi. They are classified under Tracheophyta. Potato, tomato, brinjal, mustard, and cauliflower belongs to how many genera? 5, 4, 3, 2. It is 3. Gynoecium is syncarpous, but ovary is unilocular in the family Cucurbitaceae, Malvaceae, Solanaceae, Liliaceae. It is in Cucurbitaceae. Smilex, a climbing genus, belongs to Cucurbitaceae, Liliaceae, Solanaceae, Crucifery. It is to Liliaceae. The ovary showing ovules on three parietal placenta is bilocular, trilocular, pentalocular, unilocular. It is unilocular. The maximum variation from polyandry to synandry occurs in Cucurbitaceae, Liliaceae, Compositae, Leguminaceae. It is Cucurbitaceae. A distinct monocot character shown by the flowers by Liliaceae, bisexual flower, hypogynous flower, trimerous flower, actinomorphic flower. Second option, trimerous flower. Odd sepal on the anterior side of the characteristic feature of Crucifery, Solanaceae, Leguminaceae, Liliaceae. It is Leguminaceae. C option is correct. What is apicalyx? An outgrowth of calyx, an additional calyx, a whorl of bracteoles, a whorl of bracteoles. It is a whorl of bracteoles. In which of the following plants reticulate venation, unisexual flowers, and stipular tendrils are found? Yucca, allium, smilex, dracaena. It is smilex. The term new systematics was coined by Lamarck, Linnaeus, Huxley, Hutchinson. It is by Huxley. In which of the following persistent calyx is found? Dalbergia, Ciso, Allium sepia, Solanum melongena, Crotalaria juncea. It is Solanum melongena. I hope you are able to get it. Again, we will meet in the next video with more important questions on the other topics. Thank you.